Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian Slanted Stitch. This stitch is also known as Tunisian Twisted Stitch depending on the stitch dictionary that you are using. What you find is that in Tunisian crochet the standards for stitch naming are not as rigorous as with traditional crochet. That's why you can find these stitches under different names. Okay, it is one of the basic stitches in Tunisian crochet. So we will start, you can start with any number of chains. So I'm going to start with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And we are going to be working the foundation row as usually, so we are working into the back bumps of your chain stitches. Okay, picking up the back loops in order to make your bottom edge nice and neat. Okay, now we've got the forward pass done. We've got loops on our hook. We are going to be working off these loops and we're doing the standard return pass, which is chain 1 and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. What I would advise you to do with this stitch is not to work your loops too tight. The reason why is because you are going to be working into the stitch from the opposite side. Usually we work from right to left, for example for Tunisian simple. For Tunisian knit it's from front to back. However, with Tunisian slanted or Tunisian twisted stitch, you need to go and insert the hook from left to right. Okay, so this can get quite tricky, especially if your front vertical bars are too tight. So make sure that you don't work them too tight. If you've got problems with maintaining a looser gauge, just use go size up on your hook. Okay, so what we are going to do, there are different methods how you can do it. The way I use is you put the hook of your hook under the front vertical bar and you twist the loop like so. Okay, and then you yarn over and pull through, and this causes the front vertical bar to lean on the right side. Okay, so let's do it again. We go with the hook, we insert the hook under the stitch and then we turn, we put the loop on the hook, yarn over and pull through. Okay, let's do it again. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. Another way how you can do it, if it seems too complicated, is you can just get the loop or the front vertical bar rather, like so, and you slide it on your hook like this. This is a way to do it. However, this will kind of mess up the flow of your work, so it's better to just try to practice the stitch to do it just with your hook. Okay, like so. So I've got 5 stitches, 1 edge stitch on the right side, so we are going to be working the edge stitch on the left side as usual. So we work this under the left and right bars, yarn over and pull through. Okay, now we're going to be doing standard return pass of chain 1 and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 all the way back. Okay, so let's try to do this. I will do one more row with you. Okay, so we insert the hook, we are going into the stitch, not from right to left but from left to right, and we turn the loop, yarn over and pull through. Okay, the next one, get a bit tricky. This stitch looks beautiful in combination with a Tunisian simple stitch. That what gives you that stitch, which is also known Tunisian rib stitch. Okay, which you can work a line or staggered, and it gives you a beautiful textured fabric. You can do beautiful color combinations with the Tunisian rib stitch. Okay, so again we are at the end. Work under both bars, yarn over, pull through one, or chain one, yarn over, pull through two, all the way back. Okay, and this is how you work the Tunisian slanted or Tunisian twisted stitch. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please let me know what you think about this stitch in the comments below. Have you tried it before? Make sure that you share with your crochet friends, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.